Welcome to today's drive. In this video, we'll be exploring Interstate 65 through Louisville, Kentucky, traveling northbound from I-264 to Clarksville, Indiana. Our journey begins just south of downtown Louisville on I-264, where we make the connection onto I-65 North. Almost immediately, viewers will notice the busy urban freeway setting as we head toward downtown Louisville. Along the way, we'll pass interchanges for important local routes, including access to the University of Louisville and the extensive medical complex located on the east side of the freeway. As we continue north, the city's skyline comes into view, giving us a glimpse of downtown Louisville before we approach the massive Ohio River crossing. This stretch includes the impressive Abraham Lincoln Bridge, part of the major downtown crossing project that modernized traffic flow between Kentucky and Indiana. Crossing the river provides sweeping views of the waterway and the Indiana shoreline. Once in Indiana, we arrive in Jeffersonville and Clarksville, two communities located on the northern bank of the Ohio, just across the river from Louisville. Our drive concludes at Exit 5 Veterans Parkway, a hub for shopping, dining, and local travel. So sit back and enjoy this quick but scenic ride through one of the busiest stretches of I-65 in the Louisville Metro area, only on Dashcam Travels. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate you subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. But most of all, enjoy the ride. How about a YouTube short looking at the various railroad underpasses in and around the University of Louisville. Click on the link in the upper right-hand corner for a short 56-second video. The campus of the University of Louisville, Churchill Downs, and Downtown Louisville? You can see all of that and more in a dash cam drive by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner. Want to see what it's like to travel west to east through Louisville? Click on the link in the upper right-hand corner for a dash cam drive over and along the Ohio River on Interstate 64.